Hey there friends, I have some exciting news. Norwex just launched a Falling Fast flash sale, which is a little bit of a tongue twister. It's only here for a few days. So these are some really awesome limited edition fall favorites and must-have essentials just for keeping our house tidy, up to 40% off or while supplies last. So I want to walk you through each deal so you can decide what needs to go in your cart. So the first up, we have a household package in these very pretty fall colors. Look at this. So the household package is your essentials. They're your powerhouse cloths for just keeping the house neat and tidy and reducing the amount of harmful chemicals that we use. So the first item is this Enviro cloth in the Burnished Sunset. It wipes up everything using just water, removes 99% of bacteria from our surfaces. And then we also have this window cloth and this really pretty T-rings print. So this is your go-to cloth for streak-free glass, mirrors, and stainless. And then a dusting mitt in this beautiful sage. It's perfect for trapping dust instead of spreading it around. Now this trio is normally $65.99, but during the sale you can get it for $59, and these colors are gorgeous. Next in the sale we have our porcelain sink organizer. It is a very stylish way to keep our counters clutter-free. It has a porcelain tray, a brush cup, and a stainless steel drying rack on the back. It lets us store our sponges, our skincare, our desk essentials, and even has this nice rack which you can use to dry your Norwex cloths or even hang earrings on it. It's great. It's normally $44.99, but on this sale it's only $26.99, which is 40% off. Next, we have a trio of the counter cloths in vanilla. So if you're ready to kick your paper towel habit, these are your go-to. They are very pretty neutral color, which I love. They're super absorbent, quick drying. They're made from 70% recycled microfiber, and each set of 3 cloths saves 2 plastic bottles from our landfills. So they're normally $24.99, but on this sale, they're $22.49. And these are the same size as a pull-apart paper towel. They're great, very absorbent, and also remove 99% of bacteria from our surface. Next is this beautiful set of tea towels in this gorgeous fall print. They're both pretty and practical. They are a waffle weave microfiber, super absorbent, fast drying, and perfect for drying things like our dishes, our hands, cleaning up spills, or just adding a pop of color to your kitchen. Now this set is normally $45.99, but during the sale they're $41.39. These are not our grandma's tea towels. These actually go to work for us. So next we have a set of 2 refrigerator drawer liners. So these are great. They go in your refrigerator drawers. They keep your produce fresher longer. They have a unique weave that not only cushions fruits and veggies, but they absorb excess moisture. Plus they have silver in them, which keeps our produce fresher for up to 2 weeks longer, which is great. Now in this sale, you get a set of 2 for $28.99, but they're in solid sage. So set of 2 is normally $28.99. In this sale, they're $26.09. Next, we have a set of silicone bumpers in Eucalyptus and Terracotta. So these are great. They're stylish, they're functional, they match all the other items. They will fit on your forever bottles, so your foaming hand wash dispensers, the cups that come with the porcelain sink organizer, as well as the foaming hand wash dispenser. They're normally $9.99, but during the sale, they're $8.99. Now also, you can pick up a Forever Foaming Hand Wash Dispenser bottle during the sale. That is such a great deal. It's actually 30% off. So these have frosted glass and a nickel pump. This non-slip silicone sleeve is very functional, but also looks great in any bathroom or kitchen sink. And it does help us save plastic because we're refilling this again and again and again. And I love Norwex's foaming hand wash powder is awesome. It's great on our hands too. So these are normally $19.99, but on the sale, they're only $13.99. Such a great deal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you have any questions. I do imagine that many of these items are going to sell out. The sale officially ends though September 12th at noon Central Time. Thanks for watching. Happy fall.